Nitin, shall we practice on present simple tense?
Yes, let's practice.
So, do you eat a balanced diet?
Yes, I eat a balanced diet.
Does your brother eat a balanced diet?
He eats balanced diet.
Okay, you can ask.
So Mohit, next vocab, beat the clock. So समय से पहले काम करना. Do you beat the clock?
Yes, I beat the clock.
Does your brother beat the clock?
Yes, my brother beats the clock. So next vocab is scold your brother. Do you scold your brother?
Yes, I scold my brother.
Do you scold your brother?
Yes, I scold my brother.
Does your father scold you?
Yes, my father scolds me.
Okay, so you can ask.
Yeah. Find fault with others.
Okay.
दूसरों में गलतियाँ निकालना. So Mohit, do you find fault with others?
Yes, I find fault with others.
Does your father find fault with others?
No, my father doesn't find fault with others. Let me ask. Criticize.
Yeah.
आलोचना करना.
Yeah.
Do you criticize?
Yes, I criticize.
Follow the rules. Do you follow the rules?
Yes, I follow the rules.